What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willis Garage. Going to be doing a cool product review today on the LTO Tracker HD. This is made by Leupold. It's around $1,000 for the HD unit, and it's $600 for the non-HD. So what this is a thermal imaging optic. So day or night, and we'll get into some nighttime testing after a while, day or night, it shows you what in the room is the warmest. So you can see behind that cabinet there, I've got some electronics that are staying warm. You can see from my leg when I move my foot that it actually keeps track of footsteps. I know it's not showing up the best on the camera right now, but take my word on it, you can really see that. You can see in this cold countertop, if I were to write, for example, B, T, we should be able to clearly see the B and the T. So anything that you write, anything that you touch is going to remain warm. So let's get into some nighttime testing. Just real quick, some usage on this. I personally use it to see if there's skunks in the yard that are going to spray my dogs. I can use it to see if there's coyotes in the yard. If there's people walking in the woods when we go camping, we take it in case we hear anything crazy in the woods. We can see if it's a bear or a squirrel or whatever. So these are really cool and have numerous usage. All right, let's take a look at what it does at night. All right, guys, here's the nighttime test. It's pretty much pitch black out here. As you can see, there's no dog to be found, but with the LTO tracker, we can tell there's a big black German Shepherd literally sitting right in front of us. You can see her heart, you can see her paws, you can even see her paw prints everywhere she's walked out here. And as we switch up the color theme, you can find the one that works best for you. For example, here's the Forerunner, and you can see that the brakes are still hot, the motor's still hot. I bet the exhaust pipe on the other side's still hot. So anything that has heat, like those light pillars, are made of stone compared to that wood. They're retaining the heat better. And so here's the different modes at night, and here it is with an animal. So that's a little Bichon Poodle, and there's the German Shepherd. And so here's the crazy part, guys. Like right where I was standing, see those footprints? It's hard to pick up, but I do want to show you maybe like a far away distance. Let me see if the dogs will let me get away from them. Nope, of course they're following me. Look at that. They're all the way across the yard. So like nothing. It's way better than any like D-ball or peck, just in my opinion, for enemy spotting at nighttime. Hope you guys can pick that up. Check on that exhaust pipe. Yeah, burning red. Pretty cool. Well, there you have it, guys. The Leupold LTO Tracker HD. And just to let you guys know, it works the same during the day as it does at night. I know there's a little reflection on there, but pretty cool stuff. It does not go through windows, so you can actually see me, that big reflection in the window. It actually reflects heat off the glass, so if you're going to be looking outside, you got to actually step outside or open the window up. So I'm going to put a link to this. I actually found one way cheap for you guys, like $650 for the HD model, free shipping on Amazon. So I'll help save you $300 if you're entertaining the idea of getting one of these. Link in the description. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.